2017 Kia Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, dual zone climate control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.